Hi, it's Miss Dolores from Baldwin Borough Public Library. As you can see, I'm not in the library today, I'm in my home. So I'm glad to come to you from my home to your home to welcome you to 1000 Books Before Kindergarten. So we had one program 3 weeks ago, and this is our second program for the winter season. And we're going to be doing stories and songs and rhymes about love in honor of Valentine's Day. So you should have picked up a bag from the library, an early literacy kit. I hope you had time to pick it up. If you did not have time, you can still stop by the library. We're offering curbside pickup. Our hours are Monday through Thursday, 10 until 6, and on Friday, 10 until 3. And if you're registered, you can stop by and pick one up. So today I'm going to show you everything that should be contained within your bag. Alright, so we're going to start with our early literacy rhyme and sing card. So it looks like this, and on the back we have a rhyme that we're going to do together. So yours will be laminated, and I wanted to tell you I had a really good question from a parent who asked something that they could do with all the literacy cards that they get. So when we were in library and having face-to-face story times, what I had passed out at the time was metal rings, sort of like where you put embroidery floss on, or you can get them at like Joann Fabric or Michaels. And I punched a hole in the corner of each card, and you just put them on your ring, and that way you can loop the ring onto your car seat or to a stroller or anything that you have when you're out and about. Some people keep them in their car so that if you're stuck in traffic, you can sing all of these songs and rhymes that we do together, and you can have them in one place. So I just wanted to give you that little tip on what to do with them, and instead of just having them lay around. If you need one of those metal rings, I do have some at the library. If you want to just contact me or stop by, I can give you one. Okay, so you have this rhyme and sing card. You also have a book that your child can keep. I left my book at the library, but I have improvised, and I have this story actually on my iPad. As you can see, it's called Mama Loves, and you should have this book in your kit, and it is your child's to keep. So every month, your child gets a book to keep. The next thing you will have, and it might be in a different color, is your child has a musical kazoo. So we're going to be using that in a little bit. Your child has a bag with hearts on that looks like this. This contains the craft. And your child should have 2 sheets that have hearts on, and we're going to do a matching game at the end of our program. So those are the things, the 5 things contained in your bag. Okay, so we're going to start out today with a rhyme. And you're going to put your hands like this. So your 2 thumbs, where's your thumbs? Can you show me your thumbs? Good job. Okay, so your thumbs are going to touch. Can you make your thumbs touch? Good job. And then you just bring your fingers up and you have them touch. So you're forming, do you know what shape this is? It is a triangle. Good job. Okay, so it goes like this. I put my hands together. This is how I start. I bring my fingers down like this. And now I have a heart. Do you see the nice heart shape that you made just by using your fingers? Okay, so let's shake our hands out. Good job. All right, we're going to do it again. Where's your thumbs? Good job. Can you put your thumbs together? Good job. All right, are you ready? I put my hands together. This is how I start. I bring my fingers down like this. And now I have a heart. Okay, so something just really simple to do with your child to make a heart shape. So you just bring those thumbs together, fingers up, they can touch. So you form a triangle and then bring them down and they form a heart. Good job, my friends. All right, so we're going to do another song before we get to our book. And you're going to need your kazoo the second part of the song. Okay, so right now you can just leave it on your lap. And speaking of kazoo, can you tell your grown-up what color your kazoo is? Which color does Miss Dolores have? Do you know this color? If you said green, you are right. Okay, so tell your grown-up what color your kazoo is that's in your bag. All right, there's so many colors. They came in rainbow colors. All right, so we're gonna sing Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink. So we're gonna get our hand and we're gonna go like up the hill and down the hill and up the hill and down the hill. And then we're gonna do that on our right side and we're gonna do it on our left side. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Sing it again. Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Okay, let's form some circles. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Good job, my friend. Okay, do you wonder what we're going to do with this kazoo? Okay, so a kazoo is like you're going to hum inside this, the small end of this musical instrument, not the big end. The big end is where the sound comes out. Okay, so listen. Does that sound fun? Can you get your kazoo? All right, we're gonna hum. And if you think you can't do it or you need some help, your grown-up will help you. Okay, are you ready? So we're gonna hum Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Good job, my friend. So you can sing and hum any song that you want through your kazoo, and this is yours to keep. So I hope you enjoy your musical kazoo. All right, so now you're going to reach into your bag again, and I'm going to use my iPad like I showed you because I left my book at the library, but we are going to do our book today. So let me get to my book. All right, it's called Mama Loves, and it is written by Molly Good. All right, so if you want to get your book ready, you can follow along as I read the story. Mama Loves by Molly Good. Mama loves her little one. She stays with him night and day. When her little one gets hot, she shoots a cooling spray. Mama teaches cub to fish in rivers fast and wide. Mama cat is busy washing kitten's fuzzy side. Mama loves her little calf. She helps her to breathe air. Baby panda's never sad, for Mama's always there. Mama otter wants to show her baby how to swim. Baby otter loves to play and lets Mama push him in. Ducklings 1, 2, 3, and 4 have webby little feet. Mama takes them on a walk. They line up nice and neat. Mama's brand new little one drinks milk to grow so tall. Mama Robin watches baby so she will not slip and fall. Mama minds her little cubs as they roll and play. They are learning tricks to help them hunt for food one day. Mama loves her baby so, she likes to watch him splash. If ever there is danger, she will help him in a flash. Hold on, little koala, ride on Mama's back. She climbs a leafy tree to get you both a yummy snack. Mama keeps her Joey safe inside her pouch so snug. Mama flies into the night, then flies back to give a hug. Holding, sharing, teaching, caring, mamas watch you grow. Duckling, fawn, pup, kit, or kitten. Mama, mamas love you so. Okay, so as you can see on my board, I have 5 hearts. Can you show me 5? Can you show me 5 fingers on your hand? Good job. Let's count our Valentines. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. What color are these 2 hearts? They're the same. Do you know that color? Pink. Good job. All right, and there's 3 hearts right here in a row. What color are they? And my shirt is the same color. Maybe you have this color on today. Red. Good job. All right, so we're going to sing 5 little hearts. Are you ready? 5 little hearts all in a row. Can you show me one? First one said, I love you so. Can you give a hug? Give yourself a big hug. Good job. Second one said, show me 2 fingers. Will you be my Valentine? Remember how to make that heart? Thumbs, fingers, down. Good job. Third one said, I will if you'll be mine. Fourth one said, I'll always be your friend. To do friend, you get 2 fingers and you hug. Good job. Fifth one said, we'll be friends to the end. Good job. All right, we're going to sing it all together now, and we'll do all our motions. All right, are you ready? Show me 5. 5 little hearts all in a row. First one said, I love you so. Second one said, will you be my Valentine? Third one said, I will if you'll be mine. Fourth one said, I'll always be your friend. Fifth one said, we'll be friends to the end. Good job, my friend. Okay, so you can make these hearts out of anything you have in your house. Construction paper, newspaper, anything. They don't have to be colored. It could be anything you want. Mine are made out of felt, but you can make yours out of anything you have, and you can play counting games. You can do this song and rhyme. Anything you want to do. 5 simple hearts with materials you have around your home. Okay, so now we're going to do the craft portion. So you have a bag that looks like this, and inside you'll have a paper plate. You'll have 5 pink hearts on plain paper, and then you'll have 5 either white, pink, or red. You'll have a combination of doily hearts in your bag, and then you'll have a little piece of ribbon. And you'll need a glue stick and a scissor. These are not child safety, but you will have a child safety scissor at your house. I just don't have one because I'm at home. All right, so those are the only things you need. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the inner circle of your plate out, and you're just going to leave the ridged part, so it's going to look like this. So that is the first thing that you're going to do, is cut that out. And then the second thing that you're going to do is you're going to get your plain hearts, and you're going to get your lace hearts, and you're going to glue a lace heart onto a plain heart. So So you're going to do that for all 5 of them. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your plate that already has the inner part cut out, and you see that once you glue them, do you see what shape that makes? It's right, a star. Okay, so what you're going to do is once you have them all glued onto each other, you're going to then glue them onto your paper plate circle, and it's going to wind up looking like this. So the point part goes toward the middle, and the curved part goes on the outside, and you can scatter out your colors however you want to do it, and it just glues right on to the paper plate circle, and then you attach your ribbon. You don't even have to glue it, you can just knot it and hang it up, and you have a wonderfully simple toddler craft that you can hang up for Valentine's Day or give to a loved one, maybe a grandparent or mom or dad or aunt or uncle. So again, very cool how it forms a star in the back once all the hearts are together, all the points. Very simple toddler craft that we hope you enjoy. Our last activity, you will have 2 sheets of We Love Hearts. They're exactly the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut each square out. As you can see, they're for a matching game. So you're going to cut each square out, and you just turn them upside down, and you have your child do a matching game and pick one and say, can you find the, heart with the bow? If your child is very young and can't have that much memory skill yet, you don't have to turn them upside down. You can do however whatever level your child is in. So for example, if your child is young, you might not want to put all 9 out. You might just want to do 2 or 3 at a time and have them find the match for that, so that it's not frustrating and they get a sense of accomplishment when they find the match easily. So this is just a nice game that you can play anytime, and we hope you enjoy it for Valentine's Day. Well, thank you so much for joining me today for Love Story Time, and I hope that you and your child enjoyed everything that we presented here today, that you're going to enjoy your kit. Again, use it as you will. Make up games of your own. Use the materials that you get. Get a ring or ask me for a ring. Put your rhyme and sing cards on. Really use the materials that we give to you. If you are new to 1000 Books Before Kindergarten and you want to register your child, we have a starter pack at the library that you can log their books and register them for 1000 Books Before Kindergarten. So if you are brand new and you have not got your starter pack yet, so it's a folder that has logs from 100 books up to 1000, then please give the library a call, 412-885-2255, and we will hook you up with a 1000 Books Before Kindergarten starter kit, and you can get your child on the road to 1000 Books Before Kindergarten. We also have a website, so if you go on our main website and go under the Kids and Teens tab, you will see the 1000 Books Before Kindergarten has its own special web page. So you can also read about it there. You can read testimonials from parents, and you can register your child right on that page as well. All right, so we will see you back here next Tuesday for Tiny Tales, where we'll be doing stories for ages 0 through 5 on shadows. So we look forward to that, and I hope that you and your family have a wonderful, love-filled Valentine's Day. I'll see you next week.